last video was a Minecraft video I posted. It was part 2 of the very first Minecraft video I posted, which was another Skyblock one. I died twice in it. But anyways, let's get to this one. Last video, I said I was going to do something cool in Blizzard of the Blue Moon. And how do you like it, guys? Just how do you like it? Looks good. Also, I do this with an app named iMovie. It's picture-in-picture. I don't need to tell you how to do that now. Just search up picture-in-picture in iMovie, and then there will be many responses. So I'm going to read chapter 10 of this book, The Wand of Dianthus. Let's get started. Jack, Annie, Teddy, and Kathleen laughed. Mom, said Kathleen, I can't believe I would much rather ride Dianthus than go with Merlin. The white unicorn knelt in the snow. Kathleen and Teddy climbed onto his back. Dianthus stood up. Teddy smiled down at Jack and Annie. You know 'tis a very great honor to be given the wand to Dianthus, he said. I know, said Jack shyly. Thanks for getting us to the right place at the right time today. Hey, were you guys in Venice looking out for us too? Sitting in Baghdad in Paris? Also, guys, you can see I'm wearing this shirt as of the last time when I read the entire season of Sandstorms. It was really hot because 1 hour no pause, so that was very hot. However, guys, this is not part of my merch. You can see it's Under Armour. We don't even have merch, but let's just get to this. The two young enchanters looked at one another, then they nodded their heads. We knew it, said Annie. Thanks for helping us. And thanks for the book of magic rhymes, said Jack. You are most welcome, said Teddy. And now we must go. We hope to see you again soon. Goodbye, Dianthus, said Annie. She struck the unicorn's neck one last time. Dianthus lowered his head and stared at her with soft blue eyes. They sparkled in the last bit of daylight. Annie stood on her toes and whispered in the unicorn's ear. Then she stepped back. Dianthus snorted. He raised his head. Then he leaped forward. In a flash of silver, the unicorn and his two riders were gone. Standing in the cold air dusk, Annie stared silently into the distance. What did you say to him? Asked Jack. I told him he was to go with Teddy and Kathleen, Annie said. She blinked back to tears. I told him they would show him the way home now. Oh, said Jack. He put his hand on Annie's back. Don't worry. We'll see Dianthus again someday. I just feel it. Annie smiled. You're starting to sound like me, said Annie. Uh-oh, said Jackie, shivered. Light was falling fast. Ready? Sure, let's go, said Annie. She followed Jack to the treehouse and up the rope ladder. They climbed inside and looked out the window. The lights of New York City were staring to come on. A full moon was rising over the snow-covered park. Hello, Blue Moon, said Jack. Goodbye, Blue Moon, said Annie. Jack picked up the scroll from Merlin. He pointed out the words Frog Creek in Merlin's note. I wish we could go home, he said. The wind started to blow. The treehouse started to spin. It spun faster and faster. Then everything was still, absolutely still. A cold air wind blew through the Frog Creek woods. A few fat snowflakes drifted into the treehouse. Jack and Annie were dressed in their own clothes again. Jack's briefcase had turned back into a backpack. Jack quickly opened the pack and looked inside. Good, he said. The wand of Dianthus is still here. Should we take it home with us? Asked Annie. I think so, said Jack. We can keep it safe until our next mission. He pulled Teddy and Kathleen's book of rhymes out of his pack. I guess we can keep our book of rhymes as a souvenir, said Jack. We won't be using it anymore since we've used all the rhymes. He stuffed back into the backpack. We haven't used all of them, said Annie. We still have one left, remember? Find a treasure you must never lose. Oh, I already used that one, said Jack. Come on, let's go. He grabbed his backpack and started down the rope ladder. What do you mean you already used that one, said Annie as we followed him. When did you use that one? Jack stepped onto the ground. How do you think I found you when you got lost in Central Park, he said. Wait, you thought I was a treasure, said Annie. Jack shrugged. I guess, he said. At least today I did. Annie smiled. Cool, she said. Thanks for finding me when you got lost. No, not me, you. Not me, you, said Jack. You're the one who got lost. No, you, said Annie. You, said Jack. This sounds funny, but you. Wait, you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 U's in just one word. I actually should share this to you. It says, right here, I think. You 5 times, guys, said Annie. Jack laughed. Whatever, he said. Let's have some of Dad's hot chocolate. The snow began to fall harder as the cold wind rattled the bare trees of the Far Creek woods. Jack and Annie hurried home. That was chapter 10 of Blizzard of the Blue Moon. It is a very great book. They find something called the Wand of Dianthus. Actually, the name of that entire chapter is the Wand of Dianthus. So, also, guys, I hope you like this. But, go to view. I'm reading Magic Tree House number 54 about Total Blue Dawn. You can see the picture of it down below. But, make sure you go view that. If that gets to 100 views, I'll be reading every single Magic Tree House, posting it on YouTube, doing every single thing possible in Minecraft, posting it on YouTube. So make sure you tell that friends to watch that video. Also, I only have 10 likes on that, guys. It's the video with my most likes, but 10 likes. Why won't you just smash that like button on this video? Oh, guys. Anyways, I don't have likes. I don't have likes. If you don't smash this like, the fears will come to you. So make sure you smash that like button. In 3, 2, 1. I'm glad I don't have to give you the fears. But guys, let's just say so. We finished reading chapter 10 of this book. And make sure you go watch the video that's down below. I'm reading Magic Series number 54 about the Blue Dawn. If you can't find it, then just come back to this video and then click the K down below and you'll see all my videos. Keep scrolling until you find that video. However, you might not find it because it was one of the earliest videos I made. That's why it has so many views, because it was one of the first videos I made. So, I don't want to see it, but see you next time.